In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional coloring in Monday.com. Conditional coloring is a fantastic feature that allows you to visually organize your boards by applying different colors based on specific criteria. This not only helps in identifying key information quickly, but also enhances the overall aesthetic of your workspace. Let's dive into how you can set this up. First, you'll want to navigate to your current board within Monday.com. At the top of the table, look towards the far right corner of the bar. You'll see a 3 dots icon there, similar to an ellipsis. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and click on the paint bucket icon. This action will open up the conditional coloring options for your board. The great thing about conditional coloring is that you can set multiple conditions to suit your needs. However, for this tutorial, we're going to focus on a simple example, adding a green color to an entire row when its status is marked as done. This setting is particularly useful for quickly identifying completed tasks at a glance, making project management more efficient. Once you're in the conditional coloring menu, the first step is to choose your color, which in our case will be green. This color will serve as a visual cue indicating completion. Next, you'll select the option to apply this color to the entire row. Applying the color to the whole row ensures you can easily discern the status change across your table without straining your eyes or getting lost in a sea of text. Now that you've selected your color preference, it's time to set the specific condition. Start by selecting the column you want to base your condition on, which here is the status column. This column is crucial because it holds the key value that determines whether the row gets colored or not. After selecting the status column, you'll define the condition. For our scenario, set this condition to is. Following this, the next step is to specify the value that triggers the color change. Here, you'll choose the value done. And that's it. You've successfully set up a conditional coloring rule on your Monday.com board. Now, whenever a task is marked as done in the status column, the entire row will turn green, providing instant visual feedback. This method not only keeps your board organized, but also adds a layer of dynamic interaction, making it more user-friendly. It's worth noting that you can build on this technique by adding more conditions and colors, tailoring the board to your unique workflow. By integrating conditional coloring into your project management processes, you stand to improve both efficiency and communication within your team. Thanks for watching and happy organizing on Monday.com.